Good afternoon, I am Prakash from Yoshitec Precision Engineering, Mantin, Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. I am in charge for the value added process section. Come out for the value added process is involve few. First is a assembly. Second is a printing for the injection molded part such as silks and tempo. Third is a ultrasonic welding. We come out for the assembly, injection part assembly process such as digs for the local customer and also overseas, and air conditioner, ultrasonic welding. Here is a water filter, full process assembly process. Automotive spare part for the overseas customer. Monthly is about 1 million pieces order, and we already successfully achieved for the 2 years ago. And our milestone for the upcoming year is an inflector for the overseas customer. It's our target and it's now under designing process